What is going on, everybody? So we are out here in Bristol, Tennessee. Say hey, babe. All right, so as you guys could tell, took a little road trip. I'm gonna do some fishing. Me and Courtney decided to rent a little cabin out here in Bristol and fish South Holston Lake. Gonna fish South Holston. Gonna fish, I don't know, I'm gonna do some, what? Gonna fish a few lakes, gonna try to fish a bunch of stuff really. But brought the boat here with me, got some rods rigged up. South Holston River is a super known trout river. And I didn't bring a fly rod, so I don't know, we'll see. Might try to do some trout fishing too, but stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be a really cool little series. This is just the intro, and yeah, we're gonna get to cooking, possibly go down to the river and fish.